All right, wait, chat. You can hear me now, right? Yo, okay, cool. Okay, wait. You can hear me now, right? Cool. Bro, I don't know why it reset. All right, what's good, everyone? How we doing? How was I muted that whole time? That's crazy. Look, chat, what's good? What's good? Kata, TT, what's good? Gene, everyone. Omar, what's good? Ben, what's good? Chat, yeah, it's 1 year since we started streaming. Where's chat gone as well? Like, in the top left, there's no chat. Did someone come and fuck up my stream overnight or something? What's happening? Someone's come and messed up my stream overnight. What's good, everyone there? How we doing? What's good, Danny? Yeah, 1 year. It's insane. What's good, Dan? How many pips in 1 year? Actually, I need to check that. That's a good point. Let me check in a sec. Bars. Nah, I need to log in and see why my chat's not showing up. Firstly. And then, yeah, we'll see. I don't really know why it's not working. Let me just see 1 sec. What's good, Mark? How's it going, man? Yeah, someone came and Matrix attacked us right before the start of this stream. Let me just see. I got no clue. Let me see. Now it starts up. What's going on? I don't know how to fix this, eh? I don't know. We'll have to leave it for now, but that seems a bit weird, I can't lie. What's good, JJ? What's good, Yash? Pretty late today? Yeah, maybe. Too much Matrix in your streams? I know, man. It's a big problem. Mark, you studying being broke because that's his street crazy. That's actually quite a sick thing to say. Nice thing to say, I mean. Yeah, chat. So, actually, let me check. Throughout the years, what did we do in terms of exactly 1 year ago? Started streaming 1 year ago. today, literally 1 year ago today, on the dot. We did 1,345 pips in that time. That's a lot. That is a lot. That's literally, yeah. I mean, look, 87% win rate for over a year, and 1,345 pips throughout that 12-month period, which is not too shabby, if I do say so myself, man. Yeah, chat. Let's lock in today. See if we can grab something. See if we can do something nice here to celebrate that 1 year anniversary. Otherwise, chat, look, it's Friday. It's been a great week so far. Obviously, I have to do an analysis here, but it's been a really good week. So let's see how we end off here. And yeah, so the weekly time frame on gold is coming into this resistance level here. You did tap into 27.17, which is our area here. You did reject off of it as well. So that being said, you might see this daily continue up, or you're going to see it reject off the level and do something similar to we did here and here. Yeah, every single time we've come up and tapped that recently, we've sort of just rejected off of it, almost as if we're in a wider range on the daily. 4 hour now as well. 4 hour is bearish, to be honest. The previous closed no bottom wick, but this one has now come up, made a top wick and reflipped. Realistically, you have room down towards 26.87 on that one. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, all we are looking at here is we have a few clean levels, to be honest. 27.06, I believe, is one of them that I was looking at earlier. Actually, it's a little bit lower than that. 27.03, maybe. It's a bit far away, though. That's a bit far away. Let me see if I can find something else we can use. Yeah, we might be able to use this area here. 27.10. Let's see. The last thing. Okay. We're getting into the territory of like no previous history, chat, which is a bit difficult, but yeah, 27.10 is not bad for a closure below, to be honest. Nice little range there. In terms of buys, obviously, I think we'd be looking above like 27.13-ish. Probably a little bit higher, but we could take a look at 27.13, take you up towards like 27.17. Then obviously past that, you've got a lot of room towards this. Actually, no, we'll put this up here. Yeah, that should take you up towards 27.18 actually. So yeah, that's what I'm going to look for today. It's getting a little bit difficult in terms of the ranges because we are getting towards all-time highs again where there's not much previous history. But with that being said, right, sells would be very clean for me below 27.09. Buys above 27.13. Take you up towards 27.18, and the sells should take you down towards that area at 27.02. So chat, that's the analysis for today. Very simple, very easy. We're just going to wait for some nice setups to form, wait for some clean price action, all that stuff. And yeah, let's see what we can do here. Did you see Discord trading chat? No, bro. What's in there? What'd you do, man? What'd you say? What's good, Eugene? I don't see anything in there. I mean, I see some chats, obviously, but nothing from you. Apart from a horse licking a dog. I don't think that's what you're on about. Good, KB. How's it going, man? Alright, chat. Nice. So, we are rejecting off this level here on the 1 hour. Yeah, show the horse licking a dog, please. Alright. There you are. Yeah, okay, so we are rejecting off this level here on the 1 hour. If you see a continuation up towards 27.13, we might be able to get the sales back down off a retest. Otherwise, chat, I need to see some clear price action here. Realistically, wow. Okay, we've got some volume coming into the market, which is good. 15-minute closing here in about 3 seconds. But clean rejection off the level too. Which I mean, it's good for us because it shows how strong the level is. But obviously, I need to wait for some closures outside of this initial range before I get anything most likely. Stuck in a trade for 45 minutes? Oh, that's tough, bro. Yeah, those ones are not ideal. Why is my chat not showing up? In the top left. I don't know. 30 minutes guide would have looked nice, but I had no volume till now. Yeah, it's actually not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. But yeah, there's been no volume really, so it's a little bit of an issue. We need to wait and see realistically. No, Mark, definitely not. Never again. Yesterday I had my first profitable day since joining the group. 2 trades you took and 1 I drew out myself, and when I entered when I thought it was the right time. Hey, let's go, Danny. Good stuff. Congrats, man. That's a really important first step. The big W. Congratulations. You should be proud. Yeah, I'm trying to figure this out, chat, but it's I don't know. It's just not working. I'm using stream elements and it's just not showing up, which is strange. I guess I'll have to fix it for next week. Is what it is. It is what it is. But look, chat, yeah, so the 15-minute did close here. You do have no bottom wick on the current 15. But yeah, hopefully we can see a continuation up, to be honest, still. Maybe I missed it, but what's the market sentiment? It's a bit of a mixed one today, bro, to be honest. I need to see how we react off this area because you essentially have a level here at 27.18. Every time you've closed around this level, like exactly where we closed yesterday on the daily, you did reject downwards. So it's a very high possibility that we do the same thing again today. Alternatively, right, if you can push up and close above here, should see a continuation up. So I need to see the reaction first. I think we might range for a little bit, to be honest. But look, let's see. Trump is back on Monday, right? What's good, Gene? Out of my gold longs at last, good stuff. Yeah, on Monday. Should be good. I want to see a big crypto rally, to be honest. What's good, Charlie? How's it going, man? Yeah, I want to see cryptos take a big leg up when Trump gets into office. I know it probably won't happen, like it's pretty priced in, but it would be nice nonetheless. I see Solana to... I got Bill with me in the toilet. That's crazy, Mark. Bitcoin's back up above 100k. Can't miss the anniversary. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. Yeah. Bitcoin's back up above 100k, which is nice. Ethereum's pushing up. Not bad, man. Not bad. Crypto looking decent. Morning, Rosie. I'm very good, thank you. How are you? Chat. Okay, cool. 5 minutes here. XRP's pumping good. I know, bro. I faded XRP. I had XRP at 10 cents. I held XRP at 10 cents in 2020. I faded it properly. Yeah, big fold, indeed. Top Sam, do you have an Excel sheet for profits or withdrawals or something? I actually don't. Just kind of withdraw when I need it. Like, I was thinking about doing another one last night, but I don't have one, to be honest. Obviously, I have the journal for profits, but I don't really like to look at the money. It kind of not throws me off, but I'm a little bit superstitious, right? So I don't like to look at how much I've made or all of that sort of stuff. I just kind of keep it. Although, chat, that being said, the 20k account that I was showing you guys on stream the other day, We actually hit 26, so 30% profit on that. Just insane, to be honest. Yeah, I was looking at that yesterday. It's pretty mad. I started that account on December 1st. It's up 30%. Nice. Absolutely insane. Realistically, where do you see anyone else doing stuff like that with such a large amount of money too? Obviously, there's loads of people that are trying to flip like 50 bucks into whatever. But I don't see any traders backing themselves by doing a challenge with like 20k and saying, you know, we're going to just slowly run this up. And then getting 30% in the first like month. I don't know, man. When you ask for a payout, do you ask them to complete the invoice with their invoice or yours? With my broker, to be honest, I just take personal payouts, so I don't really get an invoice because spread betting is tax-free in the UK. Already done with my chest workout and took some buys on a 5k account to test some things. Close 32 pips. Let's see if I can do it on my big account. Very good morning. Hey, let's go down. Good stuff, man. For example, with FTMO, they have their basic invoice, but you can upload yours. Oh, is it possible with ACG too? I'm not sure, to be honest, bro, but I'm just talking about broker payouts here rather than like funded payouts. I think with ACG, yeah, you can send them your invoice. You can email them an invoice. Alright, chat, look, so 15-minute did actually reject off the, not off the level, but off this area here. You are starting to push back down now. Market structure looks a little bit bearish for me. It's a little bit difficult though. It's a bit of a rangy one. Like, you've now come down, started to form some bearish market structure, but now you're starting to range a little bit. I don't know. We need to see some clear direction first before I can do much here. Let's see what we get today, to be honest. Like, when we get some more volume in around 9 o'clock, 9:30-ish, that should bring a lot of volume. That should be good for us to get some nice positions. But chat, if you do have any questions or anything you want to ask coming into the end of the week, whether it's about trading, about life, about anything, right? Now's your time. Well, I'm here, right? At the end of the day. But how long does your withdrawal take to get into your account? With my broker, it's like, bro, pretty much instant, to be honest. It's like a couple of hours. To be honest, yeah. Happy Streamiversary, SG. Thank you, Chris Amos, man. I appreciate it. Mine's taking about 5 to 7 days. With what company? ACG with a PayPal invoice. Just send them the chat that you want to pay with an invoice and you get your account. Oh, that's nice, bro. You heard of RaidX? Nah, never, bro. Never heard of RaidX. But chat, look, we've got the hourly closure here in about 5 minutes time. It does look like we are going to close bullish here. No buys for me just yet, but we are, yeah, looking realistically to close close bullish here on this 1 hour. How do you look at the trend? Obviously a top-down analysis, but when you say it is bullish or bearish, market structure, bro, basically. I also look at levels, right? Like reaction areas. So like, you know, we see, obviously we've tapped into this 27.19 area. That could be a clear rejection. Obviously we are bullish though still right now. Like, look at the structure of the market. We're just, obviously on the daily, we've just been making higher highs and higher lows the entire time until we tap into this area, which we've done in the past. The reason why I'm concerned, or not concerned, but the reason why I'm not fully bullish on my bias is obviously because of these areas here, right? 26.18, 26, 15 around here. 26.16 actually this is. And another level here, right? So we're coming into quite a strong rejection area. That being said, obviously you need to understand that, you know, there's a possibility that we do just respect these levels as well. Obviously there's a possibility that we break through, so you need to be essentially watching to see which one it looks like we're going to do. If it looks like we're going to break through, then you can sort of, you know, tell by the higher time frame closures, the 1 hour, the 4 hour. If we were going to reject, we probably would have already done it by now. But with that being said, right, we're not even halfway into the day, right? Not even halfway into London session. So, you know, it might take until New York for us to realize whether we're going to reject or not. What's good, Bad Dog? Good morning, man. Us killing it? Yeah, Us. Bro, he's always killing it. Alright, chat. 3 minutes. Let's see what we do here in terms of a closure. This week's been a banger though. Like, we are already sitting pretty comfy this week. I think I'm up about, I don't even know, I'm up like about 8% this week. Something like that, maybe more actually. Let me just check. Last week. Oh no, like 10%. Yeah, I'm up like 10% this week. So it's been a crazy week, to be honest. It's been a really nice week, but again, you can't let that affect your trading. You can't let that change anything. Each trade is an individual event, right? You have to come to the markets every single day with a new mindset and a new, essentially, you know that thing from Men in Black that wipes your memory? Just do that every morning. Forget about the trades you took yesterday or the trades you took earlier. And yeah, every single trade needs to be its own individual event. I drew $700 on Wednesday and I've made those $700 back already. Hey, that's a good feeling, Gene, right? That's a good feeling. That's the best feeling, actually. Okay, so 1 minute here. It looks like you're going to close bullish. Obviously, we've got the 4 hour flipping as well. 4 hours currently doji, which means we've just made basically a wide range between these two wicks here. That's not really ideal because you essentially now need to close outside these wicks if you are going to get any clean direction. But with that being said, maybe it's going to, you know, there's a likelihood it could be within the next sort of 15-30 minutes. If not, obviously it'll be the 4 hour close, but volume does start to pick up, as I always say, between like 9, 9:30, 10, 10:30, all on those like little 30-minute intervals. That's when you start to see a spike in volume during London, in my opinion. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Wait for the volume to pick up, wait for a nice closure. But look, chat, it's Friday. Stay locked in with us. We've been killing it recently, like absolutely killing it. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Let's try to get to like 40 likes right now. And yeah, massively appreciate it. And let's see what we can do. Yeah, I think I might make a withdrawal today, to be honest. Now that you guys are all talking about withdrawals. Chat, what do you guys think I should do though? Obviously, look, I showed you guys the 20k account that I was running up as a challenge. It's currently, like I said, it's at about 30% up, so it's about 6k profit. Should I withdraw or should I try and grow the account to something as large as possible? I know what you're going to say, but unrealized gains is tax money? Yeah, true. Oh wait, chat, look, the 1 hour's pushing down on the close here. 15 closed bearish, 30 closed weak bullish. Full margin it, one trade, crazy. Keep it. Put a 1 in the chat if you want to. If you think I should withdraw some profits, put a 2 in the chat if you think I should keep it and run it up. Two, ones, twos. The 1 is to withdraw, 2 is to scale the account. Okay. Most of you guys say withdraw a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, to be honest. Buy me at OV? Maybe. Okay, alright. I'll think about it. Chat, 1 hour flipped here after making a bottom wick too. You might see a wick fill. Always good to put something in your pocket. Yeah, that is true. It's true. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, chat, we'll see. We'll see. Also, chat, by the way, I'm one step closer to moving countries. I had a consultation yesterday with the tax people. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get set up in the new country, like, within the month. So, I don't want to say anything until it's completely sorted, but you might see, I don't know, Beach SG very soon. Full margin, a strong trade. That's insane. Should do a 200k challenge. What, 20k to 200k? W's, mate. Happy for you. Thank you, KB. I appreciate it, bro. Time to get out of the UK, right? I think the UK is pretty much done for at this point. You gotta protect your capital too. Come to the US. That's pretty much the same tax as the UK, no? Miami? Yeah, Miami's crazy though. I don't have Miami money yet. And I don't want to live in the US either. You guys are a little bit backwards. Biggest fund did you pass? It's probably like a 50k, bro. I didn't really do much with funders, to be honest. Come taste true freedom. Is there true freedom in America? Bro, you need to go to Greece to experience true freedom. That's actual freedom. Greece, you can do anything, bro. Like if you go to a Greek island, bro, there's no police, no real laws. As long as you got money, you can do whatever you want. Greece have AR-15s? Maybe. Pretty sure they probably do. We need to be strapped up in the US. That's what I'm saying, bro. I'm gonna get shot up for my MT5. I'm gonna get someone go like, yo, broski. No, that's UK. What do they say in America? Yo, fam, run me that MT5, man. That's what they say. I'd be like, no, bro. Shush. Then I get shot, probably. But, you know, it'd be a good story. 5-minute closing here, chat. Closing, bearish by the looks of it. So, yeah, we are just kind of ranging here. We're making a little bit of structure, but it's not the best, if I'm honest. True freedom in America, question mark. SG American accent before GTA. Yeah, what's good, Noodle Hots? Yeah, that's true, actually. It's true. You got Yank SG. In America, you're free to own guns. That's about it. Oh, don't get Gene started, man. He's gonna start getting the eagle out again. You can't say you're all hating on America, because y'all means you all, alright? So you can't say you all hating, Mr. Gene. Maybe I'm wrong. Eugene with the brat. Yeah, Eugene's actually a well-known roadman in his ends. When you win a revolutionary war, you can do as you want. Yeah, fair. Don't get yourself shot, man. I need these signals and the courses and all that yet. Yeah, I got you, bro. Did have feds at my door yesterday? Alright, now we need to have a story time with Eugene for that. Why did you have feds at your door? Yeah, they could smell the box or something. They were like, yo, is there radioactive waste in here? Found the OTE. Yeah, they thought he was printing cash. Eugene does need arresting for something. I don't know what, but you do need arresting. Get him out. Like, he just needs to be off the streets, I think. They asked to come in and I said no, what's going on? Bro, you definitely didn't. You definitely said, yes, Mr. Officer, would you like a cup of tea? 100% you folded the moment you saw the badge. Please, sir, I'm a trader. I'm a trader, I promise. Alright, chat, look, 5-minute flipping down. The double champ does what the fuck he wants. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, 4-hour pushing down. Again, once we're in this range, there's really not much I can do, to be honest. Said a phone was robbed and the phone was used to make purchases with my address. Crazy. Are you Eugene Bruce? Whoa. Was that your phone then? Did you get your phone back? Surely that was just your old phone. Morning. Happy anniversary, brother. Hey, thank you, Matt. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, 1 year of streaming is crazy, chat. It doesn't feel like it's been that long, to be fair, but it actually, I don't know. Does it feel like longer or less time? I don't know. I feel like it's been a while. It's either gone very quickly or it's been a long time. I can't tell which one it is. Mad commitment to the game. I appreciate it, man. 1 year streamers, man. Hey, what's good, Max? Yeah, man, that's a long time. It's a long time. But it's crazy to think that we've come this far in just the space of 1 year. You know? We've gone from 30 subscribers to 6K in the span of a year, which is just ridiculous. That's like insane. Also, chat, I do have a new vlog coming out around 2:30 this afternoon, so make sure you guys don't miss that. I'm going to be doing some giveaways in there as well. Yeah, it's going to be a sick one, to be fair. It's just like, basically a POV of me filming this podcast and everything. It was pretty fun. Yeah, it should be a good vlog. I think it's actually quite a sick one. I watched it back last night. Should be good. I'm in since 1K. Nice, Yash, good stuff. Imagine 1,000 years. Yeah, trust me, Gene. Through all the meme coin madness. Yeah, I know, bro. There's been a few phases of the TRLS stuff. These burger cheese? Indeed. Projecting off that level, chat. We did have a bit of a spike in volume right now, which is good. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Chat, it's going to cost me 5K to get the visa and the company set up in the country I want to move to, though. How crazy is that? 5K. cash. That I have to just be like, yo, take this, give me a company, give me a visa, give me a residency. Actually, I don't think it's that bad now that I think about it. Especially because I'm going to be saving a shitload in tax. You got to pay to play? You do have to pay to play. Just a couple pips? Just a couple pips, man. Nothing major. Nothing major. Yeah, no, I hear that. Like, realistically, it's easily recoverable. It's just like a weird thing to think about that you're just going to give someone 5k. It was actually originally going to be 8k, but I've haggled him down. I'm an absolute business maestro. But yeah. Any trade now? Not right now, bro. I need to wait and see some reactions outside of this area, to be honest. We haven't swept any liquidity or anything. Sounds legit? Nah, it's a big company. It's a big company. Haggling for residency? Trust me. Be like, yo. Please let me in. Yeah, I got him down from 8k to 5k because I agreed to pull up on a rubber dinghy instead of taking a flight there. That's literally it. Uh-oh, I'm getting shadow banned right now. That's it. Game over. Nice sunny country with good weather and a sea view. 100% JJ. 100%. Exactly that. About to have immigration at my door right now. You went to the border and said open the door? Yeah, trust me. Off to the gym. I hope everyone has a good day and catches some pips. Take care all. Hey, in a bit, KB. See you in a bit, my friend. Yeah, drop a like, everyone, as well, if you haven't already. Converting all your reels into Spanish. SG Espanol, you know. That'd actually be fire. Thoughts on crypto in the next couple of weeks? Luca, that's a good question, my friend. I think, to be honest, we're about to see another leg up for crypto here. I don't know if this is going to be the final leg up or not, but I think we will see another leg up very shortly. Bitcoin's approaching this area of resistance right now. If we can break above there, you realistically should test all-time highs, especially since you swept a lot of liquidity now on the monthly and weekly time frames. I think we're good to see potentially a new Bitcoin all-time high. Ethereum looks good too. Ethereum's a bit more choppy, right, though. We haven't actually seen a good push up for Ethereum since 2021. So I do want to see a decent push up. The 3 month, yeah, I know the 3 month on BTC is nice, but the 3 month actually on Solana is even better. 3 month on Solana looks absolutely gorgeous. That looks so nice. I think it's the same on, yeah, Bitcoin. Yeah, look at that. So clean. This is the quarterly chart, right? Ethereum quarterly as well will be good above 3,750 around that area. Ethereum looks super nice. But yeah, realistically, that's what I would say, to be honest. I think we have one more leg up and at least one more leg up. And yeah, that's when I'll be sort of starting to DCA out, take some profits. And that's what I'm looking at in terms of crypto, to be honest. Vamos a biblioteca, a la biblioteca, yeah. But I speak no Spanish. My Spanish is abysmal. Okay, what was that there? Hope VT is going to pump like crazy. Yeah, I used to have VeChain, to be fair. I used to have a lot of VeChain and XRP. I had VeChain at under a cent. And XRP at 10 cent, but I kind of faded those bags. My holdings right now, can't lie, Cryptomaniac's going to be pissed, but I did buy some quant when Cryptomaniac told me to. And then I sold it at like 60 down here somewhere. And yeah, it did pump up quite heavily, to be fair. Now I mostly have some Ethereum. I have quite a bit of Ethereum. I think the next cycle is going to be sort of an Ethereum-based cycle. We need to see Ethereum dominance still yet, right? until we see that, I'm still bullish on this cycle, because I don't know if you guys know the way that the cycles work, but crypto cycle rotations. Let me see if I can show you this. You start off with Bitcoin dominance, then you move into Ethereum dominance, altcoin dominance, etc. Yeah, look, just look at this if you want to see. Brilliant. That's not very... I get a nicer picture. Yo, the quality on that's terrible. Yeah, so you have essentially, this is how the crypto cycles always are going to work, right? We literally have phase one, obviously Bitcoin. So Bitcoin essentially starts to pump, which we've seen already, right? You've already seen this, you know, phase one beginning. Bitcoin's been running up like crazy. I think we do retest all-time highs. Then obviously people start to take profits from Bitcoin, move into Ethereum, and that's when you start to see an Ethereum-based cycle. You see that, yeah, Ethereum's going to start to outperform Bitcoin, you know, Ethereum dominance, all that sort of thing. I haven't heard much about Ethereum this cycle, which is why I'm still quite bullish on it. Then you have large caps, so stuff like Solana, stuff like, you know, XRP, etc. Then you move into like proper old season, layer ones, all that sort of thing. And that's how essentially the crypto cycle works. So if you rotate your money smartly, you know, when Bitcoin starts to do crazy pushes up, that's when you rotate your profits into Ethereum. Ethereum then starts to make crazy moves. You move it into large caps, and then you move your profits from large caps into alt seasons. And if you rotate like that, you can scale your wealth very, very quickly. But yeah, that's my crypto talk for the day. And yeah. Nice. Let's move back to gold there. You did have a 15-minute close just now. Let me just look at this real quick. Yeah, so you closed towards the bottom of the range. We are pushing down out towards the bottom of 2709 here, which is good. If you can start to see some nice closures here, we should be good to go. But yeah, I need to see like a 15 or a 30-minute close at least, to be honest. SG, I have my level on gold, 2713. Can you explain why you have it higher? 2713.1. Okay, yeah. 2713.1 is there. Yeah, I mean, I have it based off of this as well, and there's another level, right? Maybe I'm tripping. Yeah, this area here, I just kind of put it in the middle. It's pretty much the same level, if I'm honest. But you know, I'm seeing a few rejections off this area as well, so I just like to be above it, if I'm honest. But yeah, both are probably, you know, valid. It's just better to be safe than sorry sometimes. But yeah, look, if we can close below 2709, I think you've got some room to come down to at least 2706, if I'm honest. Daily time frame, yeah, 2706 is good. Daily time frame is starting to re-break its own lows here. And look, I'm looking to see a mirror of these moves. Look at every time we've tapped into this area on gold, 2718. What do? Well, every single time, without fail, you know, you start to make this push back down. So you tap into the level here, you made a push down. Same thing again, tap into the level here, and made a push down. Over and over and over. And you can use these price action mirrors and say to yourself, okay, cool, look, now we've made the exact same move. We're tapping into the level. What can you expect to see? Well, you can probably expect to see the same thing again happening here, especially since the push up has been somewhat similar. So, you know, I'm not saying necessarily that you can instantly move bearish once you tap into this level, but you can understand that, look, we might have had our push up. We need at least some retracement. You know, when this daily starts to re-break its own low, that's when you can look towards taking these sells and sort of trying to target a mirror down of this move rather than getting caught in this, you know, bullish mindset and essentially being faked out. Let me delete this. Delete. Ow. Kick my bin. Need a lot of rebalancing, I can't lie. Low time frame market structure shift. Shush. Is red bad and green good? Crazy question. Crazy. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Bearish bias here. Yeah, I think I've got a mixed bias, to be honest. We could do either, but if you do close below on the next 30, we'll look at some sells. We can definitely look at some sells here, if I'm honest. What's good, Braden? Morning from Utah. Hey, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Pretty much nighttime for you, know? Yeah, drop a like as well if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Again, we're getting really close to that 6K subs, which is insane. Doing well. Guessing which color comes next. Leverage 10x as well. Shut up, man. This guy. Alright, so we tapped into the bottom of the level, chat, on the 5 minute. Started to reject as well. But does that mean that we can see a continuation back up? Not sure. If we push straight through, then obviously you're probably going to see that continuation down towards the bottom of the range like we expected. Bet you drink Horlicks before bed? That's crazy. Felt massively incorrect too, yeah. That was incoming? I think so, bro. We'll see. I need a clean closure though. It has to have confirmation, otherwise there's nothing for me. Happy birthday. Thank you, Jordy. Chat, also, in the country that I'm moving to, I tried to, like, I'm speaking to the guy right now who's forming the company for me and everything. Bro, someone already made a TRLS company in Cyprus. So I can't have the letters TRLS in my company. Like, it's so annoying, no? It was Mark, yeah, maybe. So I have to think of a different name. Trading is hard while trading. Then SG, come to Germany, we'd like to have you as a taxpayer. Yeah, I'm not paying German tax, no way. You going Turkish side or Greek side? Greek, definitely. It's not confirmed yet, by the way. It's just something that we're looking at. Happy birthday, TRLS. Hey, thank you, Abdullah. Potentially now, yeah, potentially. I just leaked it there by accident, didn't I? But there you go. I think I've already said it before, but we move. Yeah, Eugene, that was... I'm not sure about the typing from you there, man. Alright, chat. 30 minutes closing here in about 6 minutes' time. So, with that being said, like I said, if we can close below this level, then great. You do have clean bearish structure here as well. Like, you're coming down, making lower lows, lower highs on the way down. If you can just come down, close below, retest the level, will be good to take the sells for that continuation. But until then, not much I can do, to be honest. Got a big house in Northside, you're always welcome. Crazy, bro. I'll pull up right now. Yeah, so look, we're pushing below. Pushing below. See what we can do, chat. Let's see. It is like rejecting a little bit. I think we need some more volume to actually make the push through. Whoa. But once that volume comes in, you will make the push through. You should close below. And especially since we haven't really grabbed much liquidity, if we can get a top wick back into the level. Oh, there you go. I can open my brokerage real quick. I think we got some potential here on this 30-minute closure. Unless it wants to rip all the way through. Interesting. Big push there, chat. I mean, not massive push, but like definitely some volume coming into the market. Stops are still decent. Previous 1 hour did close bullish, which could be concerning, but for me, I think we see a continuation down regardless right now. think we got some room here. 27.05 is a good break-even point. Realistically, TP is going to be 27.02 if we get something here. As long as it doesn't just rip down and fill the range the whole way, which it looks like it might want to do right now. 5-minute close, like hammer candle. So we might have a chance of a pullback here in the last 4 minutes. We can pull back towards, you know, 27.08-ish. I'm not going to lie, if we fill the range right now, it's pretty cooked. But let's see what we do. Daily lows, but yeah, daily rebroke its lows, so that's why we're seeing a big drive right now. Oh, the screen, is it still off? No, it's on, right? Yeah, okay. Bro, you scared me then, Jesus. I'll take this with 3 positions and it'll count as 3 trades if it's a win. Yeah, and you 3x the pips as well. That's how that works. SG, your chat screen isn't working. I know, bro. I don't know why it's not working. For some reason, this morning, OBS just decided to shaft me. I don't know why. Came onto the stream and my mic was not working and the chat wasn't working, but I don't know how to fix it. Can't blame OBS. I will blame OBS. In fact, that's the only people I can blame. Let's see though, chat. Lock it in here. We got exactly 3 minutes here to the closure. Need to see a little bit of a pullback. We are just ripping down right now with zero structure, like literally nothing. Which is no bueno. It's really not what you want to see here. A retest back into this area here at 27.09 is going to be very clean for us as well. It's going to be essentially a mirror of this move, but in reverse. And we've done it before as well, but close below the level, tap back into 27.09. And then you see it, that, you know, final push back down. So let's see if we can grab that in about 2 minutes time. But like I said a million times right now, I need to pull back. Gonna spread freedom and democracy across Miami. Done for the day. Full daily TP. Locked out my account. Hey, good stuff, Gene. Good stuff, man. Congrats. Let's see, chat. We might see a pullback here towards the end of this 30-minute close, which would be great. We've got 2 minutes here. If it can pull back towards the end of the candle, absolutely perfect. That's what we want. We want it to be pulling back as the candle closes so that then we get that top wick. Stops can actually be above the previous hourly, which would be really nice. For about 40 pips if we tap back into this level. Actually, no, we could take the current for about 30. Yeah, pull back, leave a bottom wick, top wick towards 27.09. Easy W's, chat. That's what we're taking right there. That's exactly what I'm looking for here. That would be such a clean setup. If not, chat, remember we have a 4-hour close as well in about 30 minutes, so we can potentially wait for that too. But I don't think we're going to have time to do that, to be honest. I think it's going to be gone. The pullback, chat. Just a little pullback. A little bit of a pullback, chat. That's all I need. Come on, Gold. You can do it. You can do it, man. What's good, Ja? Good morning, man. Alright, we have literally 1 minute left for a pullback. Captain, you're so negative, man. Let's be hopeful. Mad, he's talking to Gold. Yeah, we talk to it. We whisper to the markets. We take a little whisper. Here we go. See, look, it listened to us, right? A nice little pullback here, Gold. All we need to see. Leave us a wick. How far is this? 25 pip top wick for us to tap back into 27.09 here, chat. 15 seconds till the close. Don't no bottom wick us. If it's no bottom wick, I don't know what to say, chat, to be honest. I think we should be good, though. I mean, yeah, let's see. So it froze right now on the open. Literally just didn't even move. Need to see a test back into 2709 if I'm on it. Yeah, it's gone. Chat. Let's see. Did it break the lows? Yeah, it did. But to be honest, if you can come back and re-tap into 2709 here, we can still take a look at an entry. I don't think it's a bad play still. If we can tap 09, that'd be ideal. Come on, gold. I know you want to do it. I don't think it wants to. If you teach a man to fish, he will never have to jerk it again. That's insane, Eugene. That is actually ridiculous. Alright, pushing up, chat. This is good. Good here. We just need to see a tap into 2709. Can we push up a little bit further, chat? Lock it in here. Potential sales at the break of the lows? Nah, I'll be looking at a wick entry. $10 pips further, and we'll be looking at some sales here. Really do want to see that 2709 area get tapped. We haven't retested it yet. I think we need to. One minute closed. How? No top wick? Nah. Are you looking for a wick entry? Yeah, I am. So close, chat. So close. 10 more pips. Mm-mm-mm. 5 minute no top wick would also work for me, to be honest. Don't reject here, gold. Just come and tap the level, man. That might be it. That might be it, chat. That might be it. We'll see. I do think realistically we need to tap into at least 05 here. It was 15 in the bottom wick? Nah, it has a bottom wick. Might actually need to come up and make a top wick for this candle. I mean, look, let's see. How's this 5 minute gonna close? In exactly 1 minute here, chat. 54 seconds. If it's no top wick, I'm in off the rip. I don't want to take a re-break because then your advantage point is pretty much gone, right? Your advantage point here is actually 27.05, even 27.06. 26.95? Oh, for buys. Yeah, okay. I want to see how this 5 does here, chat. I'd love the 5 to close no top wick, to be fair. $14 seconds. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. Okay, now 5 does have a wick. Yeah, it does have a wick. So no instant entry there for me. 30-minute filled the wick. Yeah, it did, but market structure's bearish, and I think realistically, I can see us having a continuation down here. Like, you've got room on every time frame down towards at least, like, yeah, 2705, 2702 realistically. Let's see though, because we've also got 24 minutes here to the 4 hour, so you know we might be better off waiting for that. Yeah, we'll see. We need to tap this level either way, right? So we can wait to see how we react at the level. I'm tempted to just wait for the tap into 2709, and then have like a nice little sell stop on the flip with stops above for like 15 pip stops or something like that. It's not a bad play either. But it's only if this 5 minute does it, right? If you make structure, it's a little bit difficult. Volume's also not the best right now. Like, volume did pick up on the opening, but it's also died off a little bit now. What's your advantage point here if you re-break the lows? It's like 30 pips. Yeah, it's not bad. It wants to tap it, chat. It wants to tap the level, alright? Just stay focused. 15 has like a 0.1 pip top wick. 30/1 hour could close back up. It could do. It could do. That's why I want the entry up here rather than down here. Because if you get the entry up here, even if you close bullish, realistically, you're going to come down for a top wick. Sorry, for a bottom wick. So you're going to manage off that anyway. But look at the market structure right now. Like, look at what we're doing here. There's no reason for us to randomly rip back up. You know, you've started to push down. Lower lows, lower lows, lower highs. I expect to see a push down into 2702 as a minimum. 2 minutes chat to this 5 minute closure. Let's see what it does. Change your chart colors. I just did it by accident, to be honest. Chat, look, there's the reaction. I really wanted to see that 09 tap, to be honest. I really want to see it. Yeah, potentially it's tapping into 08.2, 08.4, around that area. That might be it, chat. That might be it. See how this 5 closes. If the 5 closes bearish with a wick and comes up top wick first, we can take a look at a Sky Dweller play. But I want to see the tap. But 2 minutes to the 5 minute close. Agreed. Hey, thank you, Ja. Volume's dead though. We've sort of just hovering here. Taking a piss before I get FOMO. Why can't you take it? Not in your plan or what? I'm Bill from my phone. What's good, Bill? How you doing, man? Chat, listen, drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to like at least 50 likes on today's stream. Do appreciate it big time. 4 hour close is coming up. It is indeed, man. It is indeed. We've got like 20 minutes till it though, so I'm not that worried about it just yet. I'm at school, nice. At school with Mark, right? Crazy, you guys will go to school together. I really wanted 2709. Yeah, me too. I don't think it's gonna do it. Alright, just a little bit of a push is all we need. I know, it's just being difficult right now. Like, yeah, gold is very tough. This would have been the perfect break and retest, right? Like, super clean, absolutely clean. But by the looks of it right now, yeah, there's not enough room. Exactly, Ja. That's exactly what I'm thinking. Break of the lows, there's just not enough room until 2705. The retest here would have been ideal, right? It's just a simple break and retest. You literally have, you know, your level here, 2709, which is a strong level. You've broken below it. Your retest would be here. This is your entry now, and you're catching that lower high being made for and eventually coming back down and, you know, re-breaking that low. Even if you do reject off of 2705 there, You know, that's already your advantage point. You're already pretty much either TP'd or at least closed partials by that point. Gives you a way better advantage point, and you have to think about where you're getting in on this side, like on the structure, to be honest. Yeah, it's tough. So close, literally around 5 pips away. It might be doing this, to be fair. It might come down, tap into 0.5 again, and come up towards the level at 27.10 to grab some more liquidity. I got in aggressive 1 minute no top wick. He's loving the 1 minute no top wicks. Absolutely loving it. I respect it. Good play. It's a very good play. Whoa. Stay locked in. I'm waiting for this tap. I think either way we're going to tap it here, whether it's on the 4 hour or on the 30 minute or whatever it is. You know, we have a 15 minute close here in about 4 minutes as well. So we'll see how that 15 minute close is. But yeah, I appreciate you breaking that down, SG. Wick entry tapping into 2709 makes sense now. Yeah, 100%, bro. It's just all about where you are in the market structure, like I said. Like, if you can just get a nice retest up here, absolutely perfect. But it's gone now, by the looks of things. And yeah, MK's right. There's now structure, which makes it a little bit difficult. I got in at 2708.11. Nice, bro. Yeah, that's good, JJ. I just needed that tap of 2709. Unfortunately, I still think we tap it. I don't know if it's going to be a 4 hour top wick or what, but I still think we tap it. Ooh. Aggressive player, aggressive B. Nah, fair enough. Fair enough, man. Good management. Chat, I'm cold in my room right now. The window's open, that's why. I don't know who opened the window. Whoever it is, I'm starting to scrap with them. It's not true, actually. For legal reasons, that's a joke. Yeah, we broke the lows just there, chat. Broke the lows there. This is going to rip down. We are probably gone here, to be honest. Yeah, that's called discipline, right? That's called discipline. We came very close to our entry point and we just didn't take it because it didn't tap our level. I wanted to see a tap into this area. It didn't tap it by about 6 pips. And purely because of that, we didn't take it. But that is discipline, chat. That's called waiting for your perfect setup. You know, some days, if you FOMO into that position a little bit early, just because you don't want to miss it, it's going to wreck you, right? Other days, obviously, it will work out like this, but in the majority of times, it's way more beneficial to be waiting for your setup and waiting for your exact levels to be tapped. But yeah, chat, look, is what it is. We can wait for the 4 hour here, to be honest. I'm going to wait and see what we do in about 15 minutes. Obviously, we have a 15-minute close right now in 1 minute. We'll see what that does as well. But right now, I think the best play is going to be the 4 hour. 1 hour and 4 hours still looks very nice. It does indeed. It does indeed. 100%. But again, like I said, I need that top wick. Need that top wick. And it looks like we're probably going to run right now towards the bottom of the range. Yeah, look, you're coming to a level here of rejection at 27.05. That's why I can't take the break of the lows. Because my advantage point on the break of the lows was literally around like 5 pips, not even. What would it have been? It would have been like from here to here is 5 pips, yeah. So I can't take that break of the lows. Being a little bit of drawdown right now. 5 no top wick. No bueno for me. We knew what we wanted, chat. Just didn't form. So let's see, chat. 15-minute closing. Bullish by the looks of it. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, closed bullish on the 15-minute there. Interesting. Coming up top wick first right now. Let's see what we do, chat. If you come up top wig first, tap into the level. Might be able to take it. Any languages, any other languages besides English? Yo. Sorry, one sec. Freak me out. Ich spreche Deutsch. And that's about it, bro. I'm English. We don't speak many languages. we don't speak many languages at all. Wait, is this gonna stop playing? Yeah, there you are. Alright, cool. Now I speak a little bit of German, like enough to get by. I'm a princess, crazy. I'll be a princess. Is that not? Wait, is that right? That's where it's spelled different. Nah, it's spelled different in German. No? I don't know. I don't care. Alright, chat, look, pushing up here on this 15-minute time frame. So if we can tap back into the level here, even before the 4-hour close, I'd be okay to take it, to be honest. I'm very confident on this 09 level. Like, it's a very strong correlation, to be honest. I only know a few words in German. Nah, fair enough. Yeah, I think it's with Zeds, but anyway, that's very pedantic. Let's see what we can do here, chat, in terms of tapping into the level. I think we've got a lot of opportunity. 13 minutes to the 4-hour close is not a long time to wait. If the 4-hour can pop straight up, tap into 2709, we'll be in sells off of that level. Stops would be... You'd have to put stops above the previous hourly, which is fine for like 40 pips. But look, 15-minute just flipped here. You're probably going to see a continuation back down now, chat. Dutch, but I speak English, French, German, and Indonesian. Crazy, bro. That's pretty cool. Yeah, to be honest, bro, it's one of the worst things about England. They just don't teach us languages, really. We just don't learn any languages. I can teach you Swedish. Yeah, you should, bro, to be fair. You're going to teach me only bad words, though. Fell asleep in Spanish class? Yeah. Same, to be fair. French class, I always used to fall asleep. Okay. Let's see, chat. Let's see. We're struggling here, though. Like, the 15 did flip and break the lows, but it's still struggling. I think we need to see a liquidity grab, to be honest. So we're most likely going to have to wait for that 4-hour close. Anyways, like, regardless of whether or not it's going to form early, we're probably going to have to wait for that 4-hour. So let's see. Yeah, 15 minutes reflipping. You don't want to be in a position right now, chat. It's very difficult when it becomes indecisive like this. Gold likes to become decisive and indecisive in, like, you know, little periods. So, you know, it will make its decision, move to an area of interest, or just an area, and then it will, like, stay there, be indecisive for a while, and then it will make its next move, liquidity grab, etc., right? But you have to understand which period you're in, and at the minute, it's struggling to make that decision or make that push. 10 minutes left to the 4-hour close, so be patient. Is the right company? Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah, did anyone get that initial move down though? I know someone caught it from like 27.08, but yeah, anyone else catch it? That's a big W if you did, to be fair. You could probably hold runners. depending on whether it wants to just drive straight through or whether it needs to grab liquidity. It looks like, to be honest, we might see a late push. You know, I've been talking about recently, chat, with the 10 minutes before the 4-hour close. You see like a strong push. You might see one of them. Have an entry at 2707.8. Yeah, decent, bro. Decent. Yeah, we might see one of those late pushes within the last 10 minutes of this candle. So like somewhere from now to the last 5 or couple of minutes. But if we don't, and if we stay around this area, or even if we pull back a little bit, that would be great. So that we could then tap into 2709, get our entries. And yeah, that would be the position for us. 2709.2. To be honest, you might also see a tap back into this area at 2711, which we've done in the past, right? Something like this. I think we did that as well previously too. Yeah, 2711 again. So that might also need to be tapped into, but I think realistically 2709. Where do we tap here? 2710? 27. Okay. Let's see, chat. Let's see what we do. You streaming NY? Yeah, I'll be streaming it as always in the private group right now, so I'll stream it in the Discord. But for me, yeah, NY stream is now in the Discord. Just because I can't stream on YouTube twice a day, it's too much. Volume's dead? Yeah, it'll pick up on the 4-hour close, I'm pretty sure. That's 2709 to 2701 will be clean though. That's exactly what we're looking for. Exactly what we're looking for, Nathaniel. Yeah, so I want to see that tap into 2709. Take it down towards 2702, to be honest, not 2701. I mean, both probably play out, but my TP would be somewhere above 2702. I think you also might tap into 2710, but we can hold a little bit of drawdown, right? We're not too concerned about that. But yeah, 2709 would be the entry if we do ever come back up to it right now. But I think we will, to be honest. So lock in here. We've got about 7 minutes here to the 4-hour close. Not a long time to wait. I'd like to see a pullback again, like I said, but let's wait and see. What's good, Bedge? What's the Discord? Discord is this one, yeah. No, so the streams are in the private group. So you have to join essentially either buy the course, join the signals group. I mean, it's all the same thing, right? You get all of them in one, but that's where I stream now, just to, you know, have a bit more chill time, you know, show some love to the private group members and everything. That's Sigma Boy in English? No way that's a thing. Uh-oh, chat. We're re-breaking the lows right now. Yeah, might be gone here. Tapped into the level as well, which is not good. This 27.05 level was like my break-even. Remember also it's a Friday, right? You don't want to be taking stupid positions on a Friday just because you feel like you need an entry. Right? It's been a great week for us so far. I'm up like 10% this week. Maybe even a little bit more. So there's no point me taking any stupid positions. I'm better off just I'm better off just waiting here. What's your liquidity provider on charts? So annoying when you have to switch charts just because of the 4-hour. Yeah, I know, bro. So I used to be with FXCM on TradingView. I'd look at their charts, but now I just stay with Xauusd. Even though, I mean, look, it's choppy on the daily. I don't know what's wrong with Xauusd at the minute, but yeah, because they have the correct 4-hour, I just stay with them, to be honest. But yeah, it's you know, needs must. Damn, that 4-hour close push. That's what I was saying, bro. Chat, what did I tell you? That push towards the end of the 4-hour close happens every single time. Every single time. Spreads are getting high, which means volume's high as well. We're about to see a big increase in the volume, in my opinion. As long as this can pull back and leave a wick. 5-minute close, no bottom wick there, which is good for us. You might see this push back up and leave a wick, which would be great. Yeah, if we can pull back here, ideal. But chat, look, you know the drill. If it runs here without any structure, there's nothing I can do. Absolutely nothing. But if we can pull back, leave a wick, tap into 2709, then you've got the flip and the wick fill. Yeah, we're good to go. We're good to go. So we'll see what happens here, chat. But again, I'm not going to take any rash positions or irrational positions, let's say. I'm just going to wait and see here. Wait for my entry to form. Once it forms, we'll be getting in. But until it forms, chat, it's been a great week so far. There's no point me doing anything stupid here. Morning, gang. Happy anniversary. Thank you, Gondi. I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it a lot, man. 4 minutes left, chat. How are you, though, Gondi? You good? Chat, also, before this closure, we got 4 minutes here. It only takes 4 seconds to drop a like on the stream. It doesn't even take that, but yeah, listen, drop a like on the stream. Let's try and get to above 50 likes right now on the stream. It really does help out. The momentum's growing like crazy. I think, to be honest, I'm going to stay on stream a little bit longer today as well. Like, we'll wait and see what the 4 hour does. If we close with some potential, I'll stay on until like 10:30, 11. See if we can get some more positions on maybe the 1 hour or the 30. You and Mrs. SG? Nah, it's our 1 year anniversary of streaming, Mr. Jar. My first stream on YouTube was January 17th, 2024. So it's been exactly 1 year since that date that we've been streaming on YouTube for free. Crazy, right? Long time. All good, bro. Decent week so far trading wise. Good stuff, Gondis. I'm glad to hear it. I'm glad to hear it. Chat, we're trying to fill the range here. Very, very difficult. Congrats, SG. You've come so far in that time. Proud of you, brother. Hey, thank you, Bedge. That means a lot, my friend. Means a lot. I think everyone's come so far, though. Like, everyone in chat that I've seen has come a ridiculous amount, you know? Like, in terms of... has come very far is what I'm trying to say. In terms of trading wise and everything, everyone's been leveling up, and yeah, it's been a great one. Everyone's, you know, gone from probably a lot of people being unprofitable to becoming profitable, and if they were profitable, then, you know, I know myself personally is scaled up 10 times, which is such a good thing to see. Closed half lane and run to TP. GG's Abdullah, congrats. Okay, chat. Might be able to see a pullback here. The 5 minute just reflipped. If it can break the highs, you might be good for this pullback that we're looking for. That would be absolutely perfect here if we could pull back. Tap into 2709. What we want to see, chat. That's exactly what we want to see here. Nice little 4 hour pullback. Leave us a nice wick. I'd like a lot more than this, to be honest, but I guess it is what it is. Four hour going to close bang at it. 4 hour top wick and retest it clean. Needs to tap 09 though. It has to tap 09. Like, it's very important for me that it does that. That's your top wick area. That's your retest level. It might even tap 07 and reject, but I would much rather wait till 09. And then I want to see yeah, stops above that range for like 40 pips is not bad at all. So lock it in here, chat. We've got 1 minute to the closure. I reckon you could call us a break and retest trader now, chat. That's all we are. Nah, not really. 50 seconds. Chat, drop a like as well before the closure. We can easily get to 75 likes on today's stream. Easy. Okay, SGC chat. Alright, I've done a bit, man. Volume's died off a little bit. Like, the chart just hasn't moved for about a minute right now. Literally. Winner Willy. Let's see if this 5 minute can pull back though. We need a little bit of a push up. We can be pushing up as the candle closes. That's exactly what we want to see. Need some more volume though, chat, to be honest. 27, 26 sales were too obvious. I didn't even see them this morning, to be fair. Oh, shit. Chat. We closed here. We did leave a wick, which is good. We've opened bottom wick first. As long as we don't continue down here, we should be okay. But it was last night. Oh, okay. Let's see. We might be. Oh. We might be done for here. I'm not too afraid of it having a bottom wick, right? I still think we retest and then push back down. So as long as we don't like break the low and tap into 2702, I'm not too like worried about that, to be honest. But it looks as if we are going to break the low, to be honest. What's good, Cookie? You better to go for the NY session? Nah, there's still potential here. I think there's a lot of opportunity here. Look at the way we push down with no structure. Literally no structure right now. This is your captain speaking, Willy. Bro, that's such a funny video. Yeah, look, realistically, we've pushed down here on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, zero structure. So if we can push back up here and retest, we still should be good to come back down and re-break that low. Like, I'm not too afraid of that. But I just don't want to see us retest the bottom of that level, 2702, just yet, to be honest. If we do that, then yeah, we might be a little bit cooked. That's actually just not the one today, eh? Not the one. Time to reject though. This could be a little push up here in case we needed it. Stay locked in, chat. I still think there's a lot of opportunity here. A lot of potential. We must have grabbed enough liquidity to drive down though, because it obviously thinks that we don't need a top wick. But we did do this with the last closure, to be fair, as well. We came down, nearly broke the lows, and then started to push back up. We've been doing that a lot, actually. You know, we come down a little bit, almost like fake that we're going to push down, and then actually come back up, grab the liquidity, and then re-break, and then drive. So that might be what's happening here as well right now. It's very possible. 1 hour and 4 hours about to flip here. You do need a top wick, so if it's going to be anywhere, it's most likely going to be into this 709 area. Let's see what we can do, chat. Not much volume, though. But there is a shitload of potential. I'm definitely going to stay on till like 11-ish. But for right now, I think we'll watch the 5-minute closures as they go. I want to see this pullback. Sound like a broken record, but we need it. We need it. Because you can't take an entry here, chat. Firstly, because your stops are massive. Secondly, you're very overextended right now. Like, we've pushed down without much of a wick, realistically. And also, think about where we are in the structure. Like, obviously, you were pushing up. Now you've started to push back down. Let's just mark out the structure here. It always helps me to mark out the structure with the arrows. If you take sells right here, if you were to reverse, you might not ever come back to your entry, right? But if you were to take sells up here, even if you wanted to continue up like this, right, you still would probably come back down, retest your entry before making that push up. So it's a lot safer to take sells off of what you think is going to be the lower high, rather than taking it off the break of the lows in these situations. Just because, look, your advantage point is 10 times better if you take the sells from this retest. You know, you've got firstly smaller stops, like I said. Secondly, even if you did continue to push up, most likely what you're going to see is candle close above, bottom wick tapping back into these areas down here, and then the continuation back up. And you can obviously escape on this retest down here. So you have to understand where you are in the cycle and how, you know, essentially you can get the safest entry, and that is realistically the best way. Makes sense, chat? Hopefully it does. We're really struggling to reflip right now. Like, it's trying its hardest, but it's struggling every single time. 35 pips in the pockets. Hope I get a second entry on the 4 hour top wick. Nice, JJ. Good stuff. Congrats, man. My spreads on ACG are wild. Oh, really? That's tough, bro. I think it's because of the volume, to be honest. Okay, there you are. You finally flipped on this 1 hour. Can we come up now and make a top wick, or is it just going to be a small wick before we rip back down? Let's see. That 5-minute close doji. This is very interesting. If I was going to take buys as well, chat, I'd need that tap first and then a rejection. I can't take buys off a rejection here either. Because, yeah, at any given point, we can still come down and tap into this level, right? So I don't really want to do that. Just about being patient here, chat. There's no clean setups right now. There literally hasn't been a clean setup this entire time. So, yeah, just wait and see. How's the new car? Gondi, bro. It's great. Although, chat, story time. First of all, my front splitter is fucked. I keep hitting bumps, and the front splitter keeps cracking. So I'm going to get that replaced this week, most likely, already. Yesterday, I hit a badger on the road. It was already dead, but I hit it, and it broke the entire front splitter, like half of it off. So yeah, I need to get that replaced. But other than that, the car's incredible, right? It's so fun to drive. And yeah, it's so fun to drive, bro. It's so fast. It's comfortable. I don't know, it looks sick as well. Driving like Schumacher? Bro, maybe. Badger. Bro, it was on the motorway. There was just a badger in the road and it got me. Even after it was dead, bro, it got me. The Merc pre-modified? Yeah. Inconvenient badger? Trust me. Bro, I'm gonna go take it to get tuned though. Maybe next week. How much horsepower? Bro, it's nothing crazy at the minute. It's like 230 or something. It's nothing crazy, but if I get it tuned, I think it'll go to like 300. Yeah, hitting a deer like a live one's crazy. It's like, really, yeah, it's horrible, bro. Luckily, the badger I hit was already dead, but as long as you don't go skiing, you're fine, Shumi. Bro, I went... What's good, Asset Marksman? I went skiing literally last week, and someone said to me, don't do a Michael Schumacher. I was like, bro, what? Why tell someone that? Previous may have lowered the suspension for real. Yeah, it's definitely been lowered, I'm pretty sure. Actually, I don't know if it's been lowered. It's just got a... It's just got like a front splitter, so it's super low. Like, wait, I'll show you. Like, obviously, you see right here, the front splitter is like very, very low. So it's pretty much like that far off the ground. Which means like, yeah, essentially speed bumps and shit are getting absolutely murked. I have to go over speed bumps, especially when I'm in London, bro. When I'm in London, I have to go over speed bumps at like 1 mile an hour, like literally crawl over them. I was getting beeped at every day. And the car, right? Crazy. Crazy. My first time here, what's up? Hey, Hero Pro, what's up? Welcome, man. Welcome to the community. You found a good community, my friend. It's a very, very good trading community we have here. Very wholesome. Feel free to ask any questions you have. No such thing as a stupid question here. I don't know, it depends on your level of trading or whatever, but yeah, no such thing as a stupid question. And yeah, everyone's here to help everyone out, so welcome. Flattened a rabbit once. That got me in the field. Yeah, that's not ideal. Bro, one time at school, my history... Yo. Just a quick little matrix attack. Quick little 1 second matrix attack. That's very interesting. Are we back, chat? You have RR in your strategy? Yeah, well, no, not really. We trade like 0.5 to 1 risk to reward. So somewhere in between there. We trade with very small stops though. Like average stops are like 25 to 40 pips. So yeah, we're definitely not trading like the people you said. Trust me. Nah, we trade with tight stops. We have decent risk to reward. For example, yeah, I mean, look, we kept an 87% win rate last year with a pretty much like 1 to 1 or 0.5 to 1 risk to reward, which made us about 10 times more profitable than when I was using, you know, much larger stops and no risk to, like, pretty much no RR. I like how you explain the higher low entry. I appreciate that, man. Yeah, that means a lot, bro. I have a full free playbook as well if you want to check it out. Free course as well, but yeah, realistically, It's a slightly it's similar concepts, to be honest, Hero, but it's adjusted for being a little more trader friendly, right? Like less massive stops, no averaging down into positions, all that sort of thing. Chat, we have a 15-minute close here in about 4 minutes. If we come down and tap into this level, I'm most likely done for the week. Or not for the week, probably I'll trade New York as well, but done for at least the stream. If we can push back up now though, then I'm still tempted to look at that the higher low entry that we're looking at, or lower high, sorry. Yeah, we'll take a look at a Sky Dweller play or something off this area. Even a trend play, to be honest, would work. But yeah, chat, right now, the way that it's looking, we're just slowly trending downwards. 5 minutes made a top wick and now flipped. It looks as if we're going to tap into the level, most likely. I caught the breakout. Nice, Hero. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, couldn't take any of that, to be fair. I looked at taking we were trying to take a wick entry up here, but it didn't tap my level. The level was 2709. And it didn't tap it, unfortunately, which is fine. But that would have been very, very clean if it did. Well, 30 pips. W, bro. Good stuff. We're going down to 96. Essentially. Whenever I see gold going down, I get worried about crypto. But I think we should be good. Bitcoin's back up to 102k, bro. That's insane. Yeah, I was looking for that as well. Yeah, it was super nice. That was such a nice entry. Like, honestly, that would have been me done for the week. Would have held that runner as well, but we moved. Obviously no FOMO, nothing like that. This week's been like 12% profit. I just looked, 12% profit this week in the signals and on stream. So listen, I'm not eager to take anything right now. If something forms, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to not take it, but yeah, like, it's been an incredible week. It's been a great start to the year as well. January normally is a tough month, so I mean, I'm very grateful to be starting off this well. Obviously the month's nowhere near over, but it's been a good start so far. As long as we keep this momentum up, we should be good. Are you trading prop? No, I trade a live account, brother. Yeah, I trade my live account. Oh, I have multiple live accounts, but I trade them all on the copy trader. 12% is crazy. I'm up 4%. Yeah, but that's a crazy week, bro. Like, don't get me wrong, it's not a normal week. But Sammy, good stuff. What's your lot size on your 20k account, SG? 20k account currently is popping 6 lots right now. Yeah, it's currently popping 6 lots, which is working out to around 9% risk roughly on a trade right now, which is obviously aggressive, but it is aggressive for a trade. Like, it's my aggressive account, right? So that's why it's actually less than that. Wait, let me figure it out. No, it's way less than that. Hang on, it's not 9% risk. What am I talking about? What is that in dollars? So $2,400 pounds. The account's in pounds, right? It's not a dollar account. I'm just doing some quick maths in my head right now. About 7%. No, 6%. 6%. I'm not taking in pineapples, no. Yeah, it's about 6% risk right now, with 40 pip stops as a maximum. About 6%. The account's set at 26,000 right now. So obviously, as the account increases, I can afford a little bit more risk. What do you recommend for 100k funded? For 100k funded, bro, I just work out what your max stops are. Or if you trade, you know, if you have a maximum stop loss, then work out what that is and then figure out what like 2% risk is for that. Otherwise, just figure out what your average stop is and make that 1%, if that makes sense. So let's say you have a firm cap on your stops at 50 pip stops. For 100k, obviously, you can risk like 2% for your max stops, so that anything under that, you'll be pretty much appropriately risked. And that, for me, would be, what, 50 pips? 2 lots is... So you can pop, what, like a 4 lot? Yeah, 4 lot. If you have 50 pip stops. That's what I do, at least. I think that works out really well. And then obviously anything under 50 pip stops, you're under risked, right? Which is really nice, to be honest, because then it incentivizes you to tighten up your stops. And it works really well for me, to be honest. That's literally one of the things that I implemented. I haven't actually spoken about that before, but that did really change my trading, to be honest. It's a real good incentive to have tighter stops and manage well as well. All right, chat, cool. So we have a 15-minute close right now. 15-minute did close bearish, which is not ideal. Came up top wick first as well. Realistically, we're going to see a continuation down, to be honest. Did you ever trade prop? Plop? Crazy. No, not really. I mean, I passed a few fundeds, got like a few tiny payouts, but nothing major, to be honest. And then obviously, like, I was just stacking capital the whole time, and I always had better results on a live account. So when I got the ego thing out the side of like trading props, I kind of realized I was just way better sticking on a live and scaling it up. So that's what I did. But I did trade props for a while. But really, that was before I was actually properly profitable, you know? I got a few payouts, don't get me wrong, and I passed like a few, I think I passed like, I don't know, I can't remember, but yeah. Live account for me just works 10 times better. I think props are a great tool for scaling your capital. And if you guys do want to go and use a prop firm, make sure you go use ACG. They're the most trusted, to be honest, in the industry for me. Them and FTMO are the best, but ACG are quite a bit cheaper. Use code SG as well. You're going to get 20% off your account, which is a massive W, right? Like a big, big W. 20% off's clean. What's good, Ricky? I'm good, bro. I'm good. How about you? Did you notice the lack of volume while traveling to 2720 yesterday? No, bro. To be honest, I wasn't looking at this time. I was finished by the time we got to like 1:15. I think my final trade was at 1 o'clock, so I was done by then. How's the media agency going? Yeah, bro. I kind of put that to the side, to be honest. We had a few clients and everything. It was just running for a bit. But I realized I really just needed to focus on trading and on content for me personally, because things started to slip away. And again, I think I was just trying to spread myself a little bit too thin. So I just wanted to, be a little bit more locked in on this. And coming into 2025 now, my main focus really is providing as much educational content as possible, scaling my social media, and obviously scaling my trading accounts. That's really my three main focuses right now. I feel like I've heard that before. Matt, I know. You were the words of wisdom, my friend. I appreciate it. You're exactly right. But no, look, I did need to, I needed to scale. I essentially focus on a few less things, sorry. And it's working out very well, especially since I locked in properly on trading. It's gone parabolic pretty much. Obviously the skill was always there, but you do still need to be locked in. Like, there's no way that you can be a trader and not be 100% focused the whole time. It's just not sustainable. You do need to be locked in. Trading is not going to be one of those things that's like, you know, you can look at the chart. Anyone of those gurus, by the way, that says, oh, I just look at the charts for 5 minutes, see if my setup performs. If it performs, I take it. I'm done for the day after 5 minutes, bro. Not how it works. Like, yeah, to be honest, yesterday I was done by like 12:30, 1 o'clock, so like half a day, but I still spent like 3 or 4 hours on the charts. I guess I could have been done yesterday at 8 o'clock because we took a position in London, pre-London. But realistically, you still need to be locked in. It's not sustainable for you to just do that. So yeah, I mean, look, someone on my TikTok yesterday actually said to me, because I made a post about trading multiple sessions, they were like, oh, just trade one session, bro. Why would I trade one session when I can trade more than one session? Like, it makes no sense. I'm done for this morning. Good stuff, Louis. Good stuff. Is that TikTok popping off? It's a little bit. See you later. Yeah, in a bit, man. Cool. All right. Chat, look, we're just slowly trending down here. I want to watch this 30-minute close. We need some more volume, though. If the volume doesn't come in by 10:30, realistically, I'll probably call it a session. Just because... Wait, is that better? Oh, that's way better. Just because I think... Yeah, look, we're either going to tap into the level or just slowly trend down or wait until NY, to be honest. So I'd much rather just wait and not sit on here, waste your guys' time, my guys' time. I know we're having a hilariously fun time, but yeah, for right now, I have to just see if we get some volume. It's untradeable if there's no volume like this. Chat, how's everyone's week been though so far? How have you guys finished off the week? Are you break even, profit? Are you in a little bit of a loss? No trades for the week maybe? How are you guys sitting? Hopefully you guys did well this week. I think most people in my group did very, very well, even if they weren't, like, if they trade different strategies or whatever. I think it was a good week in general. Prof, nice. Yeah, I think, like I said, I'm about 12% up for the week. But we are sitting nicely, to be honest. I think it's been a good week. As long as you stay disciplined this week, I think there's a lot of opportunity for people to get caught into FOMO or into, you know, over trading this week because there was a lot of volume, a lot of opportunities. You just needed to be careful. But yeah, if you managed your discipline this week, I'm sure you did very well. Horrendous Monday, clawed back to 0.01% prof. W, bro. A good recovery, my friend. 5% profit. Good stuff, Adam. Gandhi, 4.5% this week. Decent. That is decent indeed, bro. That's a very, very good week. A very good week. Yeah, you have to remember, right? If you put your money in a bank on a high interest account, you're maybe going to get 4% interest. Right? And we're talking about 4% a week. Obviously, we take like some weeks where it's negative. But imagine if a bank gave you 4% on your money a week, you'd be laughing. You'd be, you know, loving it. So you have to be grateful with what we have. Even 1% a week is insane. Compounded over time, that's a ridiculous amount of money. So yeah, it's just about gratitude, to be honest. What do you think of Top 1 Trader? I don't think I've heard of them, bro. Is that fucking what's his name? Is that TTE's prop or no? Bro, the fact is, if I haven't heard of them, I wouldn't buy an account with them personally. Like, I'm pretty tapped in the prop firm space. Like, as you saw, I went on a prop firm podcast the other day, on Friday. If I haven't heard of the prop, I wouldn't buy them, to be honest. Because the ones that aren't established and that are up and coming, and when they're giving big discounts and giveaways and all that shit, bro, those are the ones that are going to fold and rug you. Like, they just, and I'm not saying this specific one will, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not putting any shade on any props, but just make sure you keep your money with an established prop firm. Like, it's very, very important, because obviously that's your, you know, it's your investment, it's your capital, you need to keep it safe. So stick with ones like FTMO, ACG, I don't really have any others, to be fair. That's where I'd stay with, to be honest. Crazy. Let's see what the next week brings. Yeah, I know, bro. Next week should be good, realistically. You're down 4% Monday. Yeah, see, that's a good return then. Regulating greed is part of the psychology. Bro, regulating greed is a massive thing. Yeah, it's 100% like a big issue. People focus a lot on how to manage like losing streaks, but no one really knows how to manage a winning streak. It can get very, very difficult when you're winning. It sounds mad, but it can be very difficult when you're winning non-stop to actually keep your ego in check. It's very important to do that. Otherwise, you start to think you're a god. You start taking trades that might not be part of your setup, and that's when you get absolutely wrecked. Decent week, up 1% on 4 accounts. Crazy, Bedge. You trading futures then? Like copy trading them? That's a W. Fivers? Yeah, I've heard Fivers. Yeah, they've been around for ages. So yeah, potentially. I've never had any experience with them, but they have been around for a long, long time. There's a period in my trading when all I would look for was premium tops and bottoms for catching big R's. Yeah, bro. That's it's not sustainable when it gets, yeah, exactly, bro. The people that try and catch massive risk to rewards non-stop, I think it's genuinely like a bit of an ego thing. It's also not sustainable, like you said. And no one's realistically gonna catch 10 to 1 risk to rewards the whole time. And if you do, like, you're gonna get rarely any setups, like once a month or something like that. Don't get me wrong, it could work, but for me it just doesn't really make the most sense. Best traders definitely trade level to level and trade with the data in front of them instead of trading with their ego. Massively, bro. That's a very, very good point. Like, level to level is huge. Like, trade from one spot, from A to B, basically. You want to be trading from A to B rather than A to B to C to D to E. You know, just trade from A to B. Take the small moves. Again, like, I think it comes from the ICT community a lot, but you don't need to catch the whole move. Like, I would be very, very happy catching here to literally here. Obviously, the stops would be smaller, but you get my point. Like, I'd be very happy catching like a tiny part of the move, like this, or even like this. You know, I don't need to go all the way back up here and catch from here down to the bottom of this range. Like, I don't need that. You know, it's not something that my ego needs. It's just, I just want to catch a little bit of the move, get my profit for the day, and then be done. That's simple as it is. Very, very simple. Chat, listen. 30-minute close in 3 minutes. It looks like we're going to close without really any movement here. So, most likely what I'll do is call it if we haven't moved anything by the time that 30 closes. Remember, make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see exactly what happens here on this 30-minute close. Otherwise, chat, I will be trading in the signals group and I will be trading in the private group as well on a live stream. So if you do want to join that, the link is right here. Essentially, you get access to my course, you get access to the signals, and you get access to a daily call every single day with me where you can ask me any questions, and also live trade New York with me. But yeah, that's the plug for the stream. And yeah, I've cut my lot size down a lot and let my trades run. Found that I'm just as profitable as before. Yeah, bro, I mean, again, it's a balance, right? You can either increase your lots, decrease your stops, and try and catch smaller moves, or you can do exactly what you do and like what you just said and let your trades run with a smaller lot size. It's personal preference, and I think, yeah, both ways work very, very well. This comes down to what you're looking at, to be honest. Cool. Chat, look, 1 minute and 30 here. Let's see what we do. Who's your mentors? To be honest, I learned mostly off Don at the start, and then obviously just spent a lot of time perfecting my strategy and sort of, you know, retesting, or not retesting. I was looking at price and I said that it was retesting, and testing, optimizing, making my own strategy. Obviously, we trade very, very differently now, so yeah, it's essentially just a mismatch. 30-minute no top weight would be great. Yeah, this would be decent, to be honest. We're seeing this 4-hour pullback that I was looking at. 30-minute pushing up, which is nice. If the 30-minute can close no top wick, and then you tap into 09, which is a big ask, but if you could do that, we'd definitely have some sells off of that. But we have moved, which is good. We've got some volume now, which is absolutely great. So I'll stay on for a little bit longer, if I'm honest. I think there's a lot of potential right now. Unless... Yo, the volume's picking up heavily. Let's see, chat. What are we going to do here? $30-minute no top wick, maybe. No, it didn't. That would have been super clean. That would have been so clean as well. We move. Yeah, let's see. What's good, Raze? How's it going, man? What's good, Crypto Maniac as well? Sorry, I forgot to say hi to you. What's good, man? London has no moves so far across all assets I'm looking at. Yeah, it's not ideal. What's good, Geordie? How's it going, my friend? Chat, look at this. And that, my friends, is what we call chalked. Yeah, that is not ideal, chat. All right, look, listen, I'm going to call it here for the week on stream, to be honest. We ended up around 12% up for the week. Absolutely clean trading this week, chat. I'm very proud of everyone in the group, very proud of everyone on streams. Congrats to all of you this week. Trading's been ridiculously good. The standard and the quality of it all has been great. Psychology, emotions, insane as well in chat. I'm very proud of every single one of you. You guys are absolutely killing it. So yeah, congrats to yourself. You should be proud of yourself regardless of the outcome of your balance this week. And yeah, look, listen, make sure you are grateful for what you did this week. Make sure if you took some losses, if you made some mistakes, take a look at them and figure out what happened. Otherwise, if you had a good week, then just keep your ego in check. Be proud of yourself, but also don't get cocky. And yeah, that's what I would say finishing off the week. Other than that, chat, no way. We've got another German in chat as well. Here, I didn't know you're German, but yeah, okay, cool. So, we'll play the GeoGuessr right now. Finish it off. It's been a great week. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, otherwise, that's it, man. That's it. But if you are going to leave right now before the game, chat, make sure you drop a like on your way out. It's completely for free. No downside to you whatsoever. Yeah, Bruder. What's good, bro? Yeah, man. I appreciate you, Jordy. I'm not going to speak German on stream because I always get embarrassed. My accent's not the best. Bro, but to be honest, I'm pretty proud of this. Like, this year my German got pretty much close to fluent, so, well, not close to fluent, but I can very much conversationally speak with my girl's parents and everything, like, without any issues. How do you know German? I did German in school, and my yeah, I did German in school for A-level, and my partner, her parents are German, or they're not German, but they speak German, so I speak to them in German because I don't speak English. So it's a good little tester. All right, chat, look, join the GeoGuessr. I'm going to start it up in about 20-30 seconds here. Yo, Matt managed to make it in finally. Your PC actually didn't slap. I did German at school. Surprisingly, I remember some of it. Yeah, it sticks in the brain. Now you speak German well. Hey, I appreciate it, bro. I need to take up German classes with you, gang. Bro, I actually really like German as a language. Thing is a joke, mate. You need a new PC, mate. Little British accent. I know, bro. Geordie, it's so difficult, man. Like, I'll be speaking to my girl and she'll be like, it's pronounced this way, like, to help me, obviously. And, bro, I just can't do it. Like, some of the sounds and shit is so tough to do. Like riding a bike, I can't do that either. Crazy. One of the hardest languages to grasp? Bro, no, trust me. My girl speaks German and Russian. And a few other languages, but Russian as well. That is the hardest to master by a long, long way. Where is Qatar? Okay. I like USG. I like you too, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, get smoked. You take it. Of course, Gondi beats me by, what, 16 points. Yeah, bro, Russian is crazy. Like, there's no... I want to try learn it eventually, but it's just so fucking difficult. That can't be right. Where's IE? Where's IE, bro? Ireland, bro. Why am I so stupid? Obviously, it's Ireland. Yeah, I thought it was Moldavian, bro. But then, yeah, I was like, that's too obvious, and it wouldn't be in English. They speak Russian out there. Can't say, man. I mean, shit. Yeah, like, they put you in the middle of the forest and expect you to know where you are. Right, that's got to be like, I think I know where this is. Find a foresty place. I reckon it's like this. Nowhere near, bro. I thought I was being techie as well. No, this is a terrible game. I'm not doing very well at all. Whoever Windy Town is slapping there. Oh, this looks very either like Swiss, Deutsch, somewhere like that. Definitely. Oh, I don't know actually. Wait. Yeah, definitely. Austria. Yeah, that's a good shout. Okay, I'm going with Geordie. Stick it in the mountains somewhere. I'm gonna put it here, so it's a bit of a hedge bet. And then I can be any. Oh, Slovakia, bro. What? That's ridiculous. All right, final round. I need 1,000,000 points. Come up to the top. Hey, Jordy, I'm blaming you on that one, bro. Not playing. Oh, this looks fire. Wherever this is. I want to live here. This looks nice. Where are we at? Pickup trucks everywhere. I feel like it could be. I'm gonna take a random guess here. I don't know where it is. Wait, where is that little? Oh, not what I want. Bro, I was looking for Hawaii. Where is Hawaii? I don't even know, but there you are. We moved. Look, chat. Gondi came and clutched it last minute. No way. This guy with a mega clutch last minute. Insane. Jar came second as well. Lovely stuff. Got 1 point in the first 2 rounds. Insane. Bro, Gondi's always like 4th or 3rd on the last round. And then he's like, yeah, let me just quickly just smoke you all and get it on the dot. Forget that you were live every day. Miss this live stream. Damn. You're good, bro. Don't worry. You're good. You're good. We'll be back on Monday, man. We're back on Monday. Look, chat. Hit the nos, yeah, straight over the finish line right at the end. Chat, listen, congratulations to all of you. Appreciate you all for pulling up, man. It's been a great week, absolutely incredible week on streams. Look, I'll be back on Monday, London session, same time as always, 8:30 a.m. UK time. Come and pull up, join the streams, ask some questions, catch some pips with us. Yeah, man, we're taking it to a next level this year. Honestly, I think it's going to be insane. So lock in with us and you'll be good. But chat, other than that, man, enjoy your weekends, have some time off, relax, but don't get too relaxed, stay locked in, and yeah, man, see you guys on Monday. Peace out, much love, bye, man, see you later.